Hi everyone and welcome to Yoga with Yovana. I'm Yovana and today we have a short practice to fire our core, our abs. Wear something comfy and let's get started. We will begin today's practice on our backs. Find your way to lay down. Then we will gently rise our legs up to 90 degrees. Try to make your legs parallel to the wall. Engage your toes. Feel your core waking up. Your lower back is flushed with the mat. Continue breathing and holding here. And then we will gently start to lower down the legs. They're still straight. To 45 degrees. Hold here. Continue breathing. Then we will lower down all the way. And bring it back. From here, release your legs down on the mat. And find your way to seated. Your feet is on the mat and we hug our knees, straighten our backs. Take a moment of rest here. And then gently we release our arms, straighten them in front of us, and we start leaning back a bit. Once we find that balance, we lift our legs as well. You can place them at 90 degrees, or you can extend them completely, as long as your back is straight. We hold here for 3, 2, and 1. Cross your legs, and we bend forward. Feel that generous stretch of your hips and your lower back. Breathe here. We gently come up. We will do the same 2 more times. Hands in front of you. Lift the knees. Lift the feet off the mat, 90 degrees or completely straight. You will start shaking. You will start sweating. That's why you're here. Hold here and breathe. For 3, 2, 1, and lower down. Inhale, extend your arms above your head. Exhale, twist towards the left. Inhale back to center. Exhale towards the right. We come back to the center, and one last time. Your feet is on the mat, knees are bent, arms are straight. Lean your back first, and then find the momentum to lift your legs as well. If you wish, you can play around and lift one leg, and then the other here. See how that feels. Hold here and breathe. Try and smile a bit. If you're shaking, that's perfectly fine. Hold it a bit longer. And then we cross our legs and we come to our bellies. Here your palms are next to your shoulders. We will inhale to rise up to cobra. Stretch the front of our body and back body. Lower down. Inhale to lift up and try to lift a little bit more. Look up towards the ceiling. Stretch your front body, your neck. And then we gently lower everything down. Inhale, press up to plank. And then we lower down to half plank. We lift up to full plank. Lower down. Lift up. Let's do this a couple of times. Two more times. And then once you are in half plank, lower your belly on the mat. And you rest in crocodile pose, your chin over on your forehead. And then we'll gently come up on our knees first. Rotate your left leg to face the back and extend the right leg. We are in gate variation. Swing your your right hand up. Open your chest. Your right hand is straight, pulling you towards the left side of your mat. Your right leg is firmly pressed into the floor and you're creating this stretch throughout your whole right side of the body. We bring everything down. We will do the same on the other side. Swing the right leg towards the right. Left leg is straight and we bring that left arm down and around to face the front side of the mat. Pull those fingertips towards the front of the mat, and at the same time firmly pressing into the left foot. Awesome. And we come back to center. Curl your toes. We come back to plank one more time. We will roll to our left side. You can either stay here or bring this foot here, and then we extend the arm above our head. We squeeze, press the glutes, engage the core. Hold here for 3, 2, 1, and we lower it down. If your leg was straight, you would be here. Then please cross your leg over your thigh. We will do this one more time from this position. So we will inhale to lift up and exhale, lower everything down. We do the same on the other side. We are in plank, roll to the right. You can either stay here and extend, or you bring the foot to the middle of the mat, and then you can face your palm or look in front of you. We hold, engage the glutes, engage the core, and then gently we lower everything down. Take a moment of rest here. If your legs were straight, bend the left leg, bring it to the middle of the mat. And we do one more plank, one more side plank. We inhale, lift ourselves up, engage the core, engage the glutes, try to bring your left side towards the ceiling. And then we lower everything down. We find our way to the belly. And here, palms are next to the shoulders. We inhale for cobra. Look up to stretch the belly, stretch the chest. And then we extend our knees to match the sides of the mat. Our big toes are touching and our forehead is coming to the floor. We are in our final resting pose, child's pose. You can stay here as long as you like. I hope this practice fired up your core a bit. You're welcome to repeat it anytime you need a workout of your abs. Bring the fire and motivation to your belly. Thank you for joining me today and hope to see you again on the mat. Namaste.